Thank you.
Morning everyone, respected principal sir, vice principal, chief guests, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. Myself Jigan Saprashri from class 6. Thank you my dear teachers for giving me a golden opportunity to speak about you. So my debate topic is about Teachers Day. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September. Actually, this day is totally dedicated to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and this day is also the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was an excellent teacher, a great scholar and second president of India. Teachers Day is the best way for students to express their love and respect for their teachers. Teachers are our real heroes and best friends. They are the ones who inspire us, guide us, enlighten us, save us, and the most important are the plants. Teachers are the plants of knowledge that grows forever. Books gives us knowledge, but teachers convert it into wisdom. So I dedicate a short poem for our teachers. साथिया हमें बनाते हैं, जीवन क्या है समझाते हैं, जब गिरते हैं हम हार कर तो साहस वही बढ़ाते हैं, ऐसे महान व्यक्ति ही तो शिक्षक गुरु कहलाते हैं. So we should always obey our teachers' orders and follow their advice. Thank you.
One respected principal, vice principal and my dear friends. My name is Rajat Kumar Parida from class 7. Today I will going to speak a few words about Teachers Day. First, you know about Teachers Day is also known as the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. First, we know about the Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a great scholar, a great philosopher, and an idol teacher. He was the first vice president and second president of India. He was born on 5th September 1888 at Tirutani in Tamil Nadu, India. His father name was Sarvapalli Veeraswamy and his mother name was Sarvapalli Sitama. He completed his education by winning scholarship. He completed his graduation and post-graduation in Madras Christian College in Chennai. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan Bharat Ratna, the highest honor of the country. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan's life are the inspiration of all of us. So let's come to our topic, Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September every year in India. It is celebrated the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. The first Teachers Day was celebrated on 5th September 1954. Teachers Day celebrated on the mark of tribute and dedication of the teachers. In this day, students come to stage and give some word about Teachers Day. In this day, students dance and sing. In this day, so why we celebrate Teachers Day? We celebrate Teachers Day to increase the proud and honor of the teachers. In this day, teachers feel very pride and honor. In this day, teachers is gathered to a meeting. Teachers is a very important person in our life who take a very important responsibilities in our life. They get great pride, feeling and true joy in their life by teaching their student in the right path. Teachers never do any type of partiality between the good student and the bad student. They always try to bring the bad one in the right path. A good teacher, someone who spend their whole life to giving the quality education to their student. The teacher's learning makes the interesting as well as creative. A good teacher who makes the student be happy. Mother is the first teacher in my life who takes the right path in my life. So how we celebrate Teachers Day in school?
Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwara, Guru Shakshat, Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Good morning, a very warm welcome to Honorable Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, esteemed other dignitaries sharing the dais, and all my dear brothers and sisters. I, Tanushree Priyadarshini, stand here to deliver my speech on Teachers Day. I thanks to everyone for giving me. First offer my salutation at the feet of all Gurus present here in deep reverence and gratitude. I would like to start my speech by thanking all the teachers for guiding us and bestowing us with all the teachings, moral values and discipline. In India, Teachers Day is celebrated every year on 5th September to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was born in a poor Brahmin family in the village of Sardapalli on 5th September 1888. His early years spent in Tirutani. He was very famous among his students and was highly revered and respected. He was the first Vice President of India and also as its second President. He was a statesman, a distinguished scholar, books on philosophy. During 1962 to 1967, when he was serving the country as the President of India, his well-wishers requested him to celebrate his birthday, to which he replied, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day." Since then, his birthday has been celebrated as Teachers' Day to remember the contribution of teachers in shaping the life of students and building the nation.